Okay, period. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this video will be me installing a lace frontal curly unit, to be exact. I won't be doing much talking in this video, so you will see me jumping in and out, dropping a few pointers on what I'm using, what I am doing. And other than that, stay tuned and you will see the rest. Thank you, babes. The two products that you're seeing me use is the BBRX Lace Glue and our milk spray. You can purchase those products online on my website, bbr-experience.com. I did not apply multiple layers of lace adhesive glue due to the fact I didn't plan on keeping it installed for a week. I do plan on installing another unit, so I didn't want to just do the most. This product is our styling foam. It can be purchased on our website as well.